Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas and welcome to a new experiment and a scarf tutorial. I crocheted for the first time with the pigs yarn from my last haul from Idee. It's a really cool yarn. It's really interesting to crochet with this, and I made a scarf out of this that's about 160 centimeters long. It's really cozy and fluffy. How exactly I did this, I'm going to show you now. Have fun! Okay guys, so here we are getting started with these two really cute balls of yarn. It has some like neon green and the dark red and the dark gray. It's really nice for fall. This is from Rico Design. I showed this to you in my last haul from Idee. This is 50 grams, 115 meters long, 62% acrylic, 26% wool, and 12% polyamide. This is recommended for size 7 to 8 crocheting hooks, and I'm gonna use my size 7 here, so the smaller option. I haven't actually tested crocheting with this. I'm really interested to see how it's gonna work, and I'm just gonna start here with the first ball of yarn just to see a few more details here. The color number here is number 2. This is the mix of the neon and then the dark red and the dark gray. Both balls of yarn look a little different. You could have maybe seen that already. Really long and slow color fades. And the wool, really interesting, I gotta say. Let's see if we can find the beginning here. We have here a mix of the gray and like the neon green. And I'm gonna start here with some chain stitches. That's always great to start with and to test the wool with. So I'm going to start here with 10 chain stitches just to see how easy it is. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 chain stitches here. And it's really fascinating. I can't really see the stitches just because there's so much structure already in the wool, so it's kind of hard to see what I'm trying to do here. So I'm gonna add a few more chain stitches here. I'm going to 15, 4 and 5, so now I have 15. That's a nice width, I think, for a scarf. I'm gonna add 3 more here for height. And then I will go backwards in double crochets. And like I said, it's really hard here to see the stitches. As you can see, you can't really see much. As you can see, you can't see anything. So that's interesting. It definitely makes it a little harder. But I know I made 15 chain stitches plus 3, but so I'm supposed to crochet 15 double crochets here as well. 3, 4. So I'm really crocheting here with mostly feeling versus sight, which obviously helps a lot if you have a little more experience, because if you don't, it's much harder to feel out where you're supposed to go. It kind of looks like a moss, but it feels really nice. It's really nice and soft. Okay, I'm going to crochet to the end of the row here, just to see and count how many I have already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here's number 9. And in theory, there's supposed to be 6 more. Let's see. 7. 8. Wait, no, now I really lost count. I'm just gonna continue crocheting here and then I'll count. And I'm just gonna hope that I did it all right. Let's see, 2 more, I think. This seems to be the last one. All right, so I'm gonna count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, perfect, so we have them all. This is what it looks like currently. I think it looks really cute, but it's honestly kind of hard. I'm not going to crochet into the stitches just because it's just too hard, it's too complicated. I'm gonna add 2 chain stitches here for height, and then I'm gonna go just in between the double crochet. So I'm just gonna go behind here and pull the thread forward, and then I add just a double crochet, and then I will do this here in front now. So I'm always gonna switch off where I'm getting the thread, where I'm pulling the thread through. So I'm gonna go in front and then in the back of the double crochet of the row before. With that, we're getting some structure into the fabric, and it's, it's adding more of a look to it too. And so I'm just gonna keep going, this time in front of the double crochet. Now behind. And front. And you can see here the structure a little bit. In the next row we're going to do the same, but it's going to be switched off. So it's, if you went in before on the row before, you're going to go behind on the row after. Okay, and now here at the very end, we're going to go around the chain stitches at the very beginning, and we're done with row number 1. So yeah, just a really special, very unique look here. And then now we're moving into the dark gray area. But, this looks like this is actually knotted here. So most of the time here we have really slow color fades, but this is very abrupt here. But we'll see that when we get to it. So, I'm gonna do the same thing. Basically, I'm gonna go look what I did in the row before, and we're gonna go and do the exact opposite of what we did. So in the row before, we went behind the double crochet. And so in this one, we're gonna go in front. And you can see the difference here. Okay. And here we went in front, so here we're gonna go behind. And then we're gonna keep switching off. And that's the structure that we're creating here. So we always go, in front and then in the back. And we always do the opposite of what we did in the row before. And that's how we generate this pattern. Okay. And we always start every row with 2 chain stitches for height, just because we are getting in lower than on a regular one. All right, I'm gonna go give you an update in a minute. Okay, so here's my update for you guys. And it's really fascinating how the colors change, because sometimes it's really abrupt. Like here you can see that there's not really a fade. But every now and then there's also a little bit of red in there already, even though there's no direct color fade. I think the pattern looks really great with this, just because, yeah, you get this nice structure, and because we go in front and in behind, you have, yeah, more of a different pattern, which is kind of cool. You get the colors are switching off much more, which I think looks great. And yeah, it's just more interesting with this. It feels really, really nice. It's very cozy. Here in the yellow-green, it's really neon. I'm not sure if it portrays as well on the camera, but you can kind of also see the main thread here in the middle. It's like gray. We can kind of try to look in here and see what the thread actually looks like. It has a lot of fluff all around. I'm going to continue crocheting this, and then I will give you an update in a minute. Okay, so here's my update for you guys. So here in this area, from the gray to the red, we had a softer color fade, but then here after the red, we had a very abrupt color fade again. So, you know, I'm not sure what the differences are here, but it seems a little random. But I kind of like that, you know, you never know what you're gonna get. All right. So I'm actually done now with the scarf. I have a little bit left over here, but really just a tiny bit. I'm just gonna pull it through here, and I'm obviously gonna go and hide the thread. Let me show you what happened here with the second ball of yarn. So here's the difference between the neon and then the gray. So it's again a very slow color fade, but here everything was really mixed. And yeah, really abrupt color changes. And then here again we have some like bigger areas, and then here again a slow color fade. So yeah, so definitely very irregular wool. You like can never predict how it's gonna change color. But yeah, also just really intense colors, which I think is really nice. It's really fun. It's really cozy. Not super easy, honestly, to crochet with, just because it's really hard to see. But the final product is, you know, it's super nice. It's really fluffy, it's really cozy, and just really pretty. I really hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and you'll always be notified when I have more videos. And I'll see you next time here at DIY Ideas. Bye!